Welcome to the Profit First Accounting Projects portal, powered by the Karbon for Clients app. You'll sometimes receive a magic link by email that takes you straight to your tasks. For security, those links expire, and they may stop working once the tasks are completed. The app gives you reliable, always-on access to everything, no waiting for the next link. Here's how to get set up. Step 1. On your phone, open the App Store or Google Play and search for Karbon for Clients. Install the app. Step 2. Request access by emailing admin@profitfirst.com.au. We'll send you an invite. Step 3. When the invite arrives, open it and register. Use the same email address that received the invite. If you've only ever used magic links, you probably don't have a password, so choose Create Account. If you already have a password, simply log in. Then choose your authentication method and you're in. Once signed in, you can see all current and upcoming tasks, upload documents, add comments, and e-sign requests right from the app. If you manage more than one entity with us, use the client switcher at the top right to change accounts. Didn't get the invite? Check your spam or junk folder and search your inbox for Karbon. Can't log in? Make sure you're using the exact email we invited. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password or create an account if you've only used magic links. Link expired? Just open the app and your tasks will be there. Still need a hand? Email admin@profitfirst.com.au or call 0359 792 671.